How's it going, Bestie viewers? We all know that a well-balanced, nutritious breakfast can give you energy and keep you from overeating later in the day. Studies have also linked it to weight loss, better metabolism, and higher cognitive function. If your breakfast lacks the necessary nutrients, you may find yourself hungry and tired throughout the day. In today's video, we'll talk about 13 breakfast options that will help you get through those slow mornings. We're talking smoothies, oats, pancakes, and so much more. Number 1. Peanut butter toast with strawberries. Peanut butter is one of the most popular spreads around. Not only is it delicious, it's so nutritious it can serve as a pre-workout meal. Peanut butter is a well-balanced energy source, providing all three major macronutrients. About 100 grams of peanut butter contains 22 grams of carbohydrates, 23 grams of protein, and 51 grams of fat. Considering our busy schedules, it might be difficult to find time to prepare a proper breakfast. Peanut butter toast can save you from this as it's so easy to make. Also, peanut butter fiber only raises your blood sugar by a small amount, making it an excellent choice for people with type 2 diabetes. Eating peanut butter on whole grain bread can help balance the nutrients while also delivering minerals that peanut butter lacks. Because of its great nutritional value, peanut butter toast can be used as a meal replacement. Adding strawberries to your peanut butter toast is also a great option. Research shows that strawberries have a variety of health benefits. They're rich in phytochemicals as well as vitamins. How do you like your peanut butter sandwiches? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. French toast. This is one of the most beloved breakfasts around. Typically, a slice of bread is soaked in a mixture of milk and eggs before being fried in a pan. Since French toast is mostly made of bread, it's a high-carb breakfast option. Carbohydrates are required for supplying energy to the body. French toast, cooked with whole wheat bread and egg whites, is one of the best sources of fiber and strength. French toast has almost 2 grams of fiber, or 6% of the daily required intake. It helps maintain digestive health by adding bulk to your food. This satisfies hunger and removes toxins from your body. In comparison to whole grain bread, it's a healthier option. French toast also has an important role in blood cholesterol and blood pressure. Many traditional breakfast foods are low in protein and fiber, leaving you to feel hungry long before your next meal. Other solutions are high in fat and may only leave you feeling bloated and uncomfortable. Powdered sugar, fruit, butter, syrup, and other ingredients are usually sprinkled on top. Have I caught your interest? Well, then hit that subscribe button to watch more videos. Join our millions of followers for more amazing Bestie content. Number 3. Scrambled eggs with bell peppers and onion. Eggs for breakfast can make you feel full, lower your calorie intake, and maintain stable blood sugar and insulin levels. Start your day with a balanced breakfast of protein-rich scrambled eggs, potassium-rich veggies, and vitamin C-rich fruits. Those who eat eggs for breakfast feel more satisfied and consume fewer calories throughout the day. Add some orange, kiwi, or raspberries for an excellent source of vitamin C. Number 4. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a fantastic breakfast and snack option. They can be served hot or cold and prepared days ahead of time with no effort. You'll be surprised to know that oats are one of the few grains that are always maintained during processing, making them a convenient source of heart-healthy whole grains. Whole grains are higher in fiber and nutrients. They can lower your risk of many chronic diseases. They're absorbed slower than refined grains because of their high fiber content. This keeps you full and satisfied for longer, making oats a fantastic breakfast addition. Oats contain more protein and fat than other grains. They're also high in soluble fiber, which can help decrease cholesterol and regulate blood sugar. You should also consider overnight oats, which are left soaking in milk rather than being cooked over a stove. Number 5. Smoked salmon on rye bread. This breakfast option is the perfect combination of omega-3 fats and protein. In comparison to regular bread like white and whole wheat, rye is high in fiber and contains more micronutrients, especially B vitamins. Research has shown that pure rye bread is more satisfying and has a lower impact on blood sugar levels than white and wheat. Salmon is also a great source of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids and is low in carbs. These good fats have been associated with lower inflammation and better heart health. A piece of this toast will keep you full for hours while also keeping your blood glucose levels in check. Number 6. Pancakes with fruit and a side of sausage. If pancakes or waffles for breakfast are too great to resist, you should go for healthier alternatives, like almond or chickpea flour. You can combine them with your favorite protein sources and a nut butter topping instead of syrup. You should also consider a side of fruit with your pancakes. With its high fiber and water content, fruit is quite filling. It's high in vitamins, potassium, and fiber. There's also a low calorie count. Sausages are also a high-protein, low-carb breakfast option. Because sausages are mostly made of ground meat and meat byproducts, any carbs in them come from flavorings and binders. This complete meal is a flexible breakfast option that can make you feel full until the next meal. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn how doing these 14 exercises in the morning will change you. Now back to the breakfast options. Number 7. Greek Yogurt Parfait. One of the most popular breakfast options to start the day is Greek yogurt. It's created by filtering whey and other liquid from milk curds. This results in a creamier, higher protein yogurt. Protein can suppress appetite and has a greater thermic effect than fat or carbohydrates. Plain, non-fat Greek yogurt is high in protein, low in calories, and contains no added sweeteners. A parfait with peanut butter, fresh fruit, and homemade granola can be your go-to healthy breakfast. This filling combo is high in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, and provides long-lasting energy. Greek yogurt can also be put into fruit smoothies and overnight oats. Studies also show that probiotics, which help keep your gut healthy, can be found in certain types of Greek yogurt. Number 8. English Muffin with scrambled eggs, onions, bell peppers, and spinach. Ever heard of the My Plate plan? The My Plate plan shows your food group targets. It presents not only what, but how much you can eat within your calorie allowance. Your food plan is personalized based on your age, gender, weight, height, and physical activity level. Proteins, carbs, vegetables, and fruit should all be present in your morning meal. This increases fullness and provides your body with the fuel it needs to survive throughout the day. This could be different for each person, and portions can differ from one to the next. Just make sure the muffin is made entirely of whole grains. Adding flax seeds on top of your muffin will increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acids. These are really important for your brain function. Number 9. Mango Smoothie. Smoothies are popular as a breakfast or afternoon snack. They're excellent for adding nutrients to your diet. A healthy meal includes a mix of carbs, protein, and liquids, especially if you plan on a morning workout. Smoothies are made mostly from fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables. They provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Research states that these nutrients can reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and reduce your risk of heart disease, osteoporosis, obesity, and age-related mental decline. Also, did you know 1 cup of mango provides 67% of your daily vitamin C needs and more than 8% of your daily copper, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin A, and vitamin E? Simply blend frozen mango with plain Greek yogurt, beetroot powder, and cayenne pepper. Add a low-sugar juice shot to prepare a delicious morning mango smoothie for yourself. Number 10. Quesadillas. A healthy breakfast is one that is both gratifying and filling. Quesadillas are a common sight in Mexican kitchens as well as restaurants. Most people have them as a lunch item, but did you know they're also great for breakfast? The quesadilla comes in a variety of shapes and sizes. Protein, minerals, and vitamins are all found in quesadillas, which are excellent for our bodies. Quesadillas are high in calcium since cheddar is used to prepare them. A single quesadilla also contains phosphorus, which, like calcium, is important for healthy teeth and bones. Number 11. Nuts. Nuts are a perfect breakfast addition. They're filling and help prevent weight gain. Nuts have also been shown to improve risk factors for heart disease and lower insulin resistance. They can also lower your inflammation. Nuts are high in magnesium, potassium, and monounsaturated fat, which is good for your heart. Furthermore, Brazil nuts are one of the greatest sources of selenium, providing more than 100% of your daily requirement in just 2 nuts. People with diabetes can also benefit from nuts. In one study, replacing a portion of carbs with 56 grams of nuts resulted in lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Adding 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts on top of Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or porridge adds crunch and taste. Number 12. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are quite nutritious. They're high in viscous fiber, which keeps you full hours after eating them. Flax seeds also enhance insulin sensitivity, lowers blood sugar levels, and prevents breast cancer. To boost the fiber and antioxidant content of your breakfast, add flax seeds to Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or smoothies. Remember to choose ground flax seeds, as whole flax seeds cannot be absorbed by your gut and will just pass through your system. If you'd like, you can try and grind up your own. Number 13. Chia Seeds. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense and one of the foods with the most fiber. You'd be surprised to know that 28 grams of chia seeds have 11 grams of fiber per serving. Furthermore, chia seeds contain viscous fiber, which absorbs water and helps you feel full by boosting the volume of food passing through your digestive tract. Chia seeds also hold a ton of antioxidants, which protect your cells from free radicals. For your regular weekday breakfast, aim for well-balanced meals and save the less-than-ideal options only for special occasions. To promote fullness, make sure your first meal of the day has protein, fiber, and healthy fats, as well as some carbs for energy. Additionally, sugary drinks such as fruit juice or sweetened coffee should be avoided. Finally, a breakfast made from whole foods rather than processed meals is a healthier option for starting your day. Here's what you need to know. Check out what happens to your body when you skip breakfast every day. Or how about 8 breakfast foods that will make you look younger? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn how smart breakfast choices can do wonders for your mind and body. Do you have some delicious breakfast recipes? Let us know in the comments below.